So I wanted to make this video because I've been absolutely floored by this printer, and I know that a lot of people are wanting to get into 3D printing, and it can be a very frustrating experience, as I can tell from my personal experience. So this is my second 3D printer. The first one I bought from Amazon was the Anycubic Kobra Neo, and I owned it for a month exactly because that's when the return window closed from Amazon. And this is the best that I was ever able to print. What ended up happening was the print head hit the print, knocked it down. Obviously, it seemed like it must have got jammed in there sideways because it melted the print. But even so, you can see the quality is really poor. There's a lot of boogers throughout the different layers, and if you look in, it's kind of hard to see, there's a lot of strings. This is another print that I did. I went through a lot of filament, wasted a lot of filament on this, and was never able to finish an entire print due to issues with the print bed. Initially was convex, and the company, really good customer support. They sent me a new bed. Took about 2 weeks, but still was completely unable to print anything. Went through tons of YouTube videos and just never got it to print. I have another video showing right before one of the last prints that I tried. It just refused to lay down a good layer. So I returned that. I bought this printer. I got it 2 days ago. I assembled it last night. It took me about 2 hours, which in comparison to the Anycubic, it came mostly assembled. So it was about 20 minutes assembly on the Anycubic versus about 2 hours on the Ender. This is an Ender 3 Neo. And it, according to Amazon, it's the upgraded version that has the glass print bed cover, which I am just absolutely thrilled with. So it took me about 2 hours to assemble the printer. I did last night. Then this morning I came out, I plugged it in, I set it on a cardboard box. Yeah, the Anycubic, I went through extreme leveling procedures, shimming the feet, and I had a laser level, and this is sitting on a cardboard box. I did the print level, the bed level function that's built in. Then when the leveling function ends, it ends right in the center, and you can do your Z calibration, which, you know, being a noob video, I'll tell you that the print head needs to be a very specific distance from the bed, right? And so what everyone says online is that you need to use common ruled notebook paper, and you slide it underneath. There's lots of videos. If you look, the wealth of information is there. That's all I did. I printed my first print. It took an hour and 57 minutes, if you can see that, and this is it. Now, the adhesion, and you can see this left a little spot because it was stuck on there. I had to scrape it off. The printer comes with a scraper, but I mean, this is perfect. I'm hoping that you can see the texture on this is just flawless. It just came out so good on the first print. You know, I'll say I've probably got 5 minutes in setup and then an hour and 57 minute print for one of the prints that comes with the printer, and it just came out perfect. So if anyone's interested, Ender 3 Neo, that's my recommendation.